Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your vehicle's headlight bulb. First, gather your necessary tools. You will need a new headlight bulb, protective gloves to avoid touching the glass, and possibly a flathead screwdriver for certain clips. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down for safety. Knowing your specific bulb type, such as an H7 or H11, is crucial before you begin. Now let's gain access to the bulb. Begin by opening your vehicle's hood and locating the back of the headlight assembly. You will see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Carefully press the release tab and pull the connector straight off. Next, you will find a round, protective dust cap. Gently twist this cap counterclockwise to remove it, revealing the bulb's base. With the dust cap removed, you can now access the old bulb. Depending on your vehicle, you might need to unclip a small retaining spring or simply twist the bulb counterclockwise to release it. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. When installing the new bulb, wear gloves and avoid touching the glass part, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb, ensuring it seats firmly and correctly. After installing the new bulb, it's time to reassemble and test. First, replace the protective dust cap, twisting it clockwise until it's snug. Then, firmly push the electrical connector back onto the bulb until you hear a distinct click, ensuring a secure connection. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb illuminates correctly. Once confirmed, you can safely close the hood, completing the replacement process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.